Hello friends, about 5 or 6 weeks ago I finally got around to cleaning out my garden. I did a little fall cleanup and spring cleanup at the same time. So here's a montage of me getting the garden ready over the last couple of weeks. So it looks like this on Memorial Weekend. Hello friends, welcome back to the garden. Since we built the fence last year, whoa, we kind of neglected the garden. And so the first thing to do this summer, well, is clean it out. In my neglect, I didn't clean things off of the trellis, right? Look at all the assorted vines and things that are up here. Well, they made a big mat for the snow and it collapsed. So I think I'm gonna change it up. We're gonna put up a whole different trellis and we're not gonna do the arch system anymore. The raspberries need trimming, the gooseberries and things need pruning, even though they're getting green. It's a little late, not the best situation. I've got to clean out the beds. As you can see, I've got some trash to pick up. Are you helping pick up trash? Thank you, Louisa. And I got this bench to fix over here. I got a lot of work ahead of me, and I think I'm going to put a compost bin in here this year. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is take out the very back thing of raspberries because they haven't produced in a couple years. I'm going to use that space for a permanent in-garden compost. I think I might get a chipper for the garden this year too. Anyways, let's get to work. It's going to take a couple days. Whee! Without the buttresses, it just goes wibbly wobbly wobbly woo. So, this is the buttress. They really were a good addition when I put them up a couple years ago. Oh, here's the gooseberry. It's huge. I wish I would have done this 2 to 4 weeks ago, but I didn't. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Oh, it's so thick. Oh, it's so pokey. I gotta move it with a... Here's the potting bench. Looks a little worse for wear. I think I made this 5 years ago or so. And you can see there's just pine painted over. We got boards coming out left and right, boing, boing, boing. This is actually going to be a pretty simple fix. Knock on wood. You want to go sit down? Oh, cute. It's another day. Yesterday we finished the potting bench, glow up. Today, off camera, I reinforced the beds. This is the 6th growing season with them, and they're definitely showing their age. Pulling apart, not entirely pleased. I follow the recommendation of Patrick from the 1 Yard Revolution, and he's done in Chicago, pretty much the same gardening zone and cold hardiness and snow amount, all that stuff as me. They look a little worse for wear. I'm really interested to see how long they're going to last. I mean, they're certainly still going to hold on to soil and to plants, but they look kind of shabby. And maybe I'm just too vain, but I would like them to look nicer. Maybe this is the beginning of me slowly replacing them with metal raised beds. Well, we'll see. Anyways, did that. Now I'm going to take all the soil in these and till them onto these lower beds. Just look at how beautiful the soil in here is, right? That's that really nice perlite mixture and compost and sand that I made a couple years ago. It's got a perfect moisture content and density. It's really very nice. All right, we got these beds all topped off real nicely. Same here, there. Gonna be chipping this in a little bit. Not sure if I'm gonna fill this in or not. These are all strawberries and asparagus. Should be fine. Topped off. Got rid of the half barrels. Only one left. Might use that for catnip. We'll see. It's rolling. Make sure you see me shoveling it in.
I see you.
You see me. We got camera girl Charlotte. Thank you. You want to show us a big jump?
Sure.
Whoa. Whoa. Good jumping, you. Okay. Yep. Grab a seat. Cheese. Where does that go? It goes in the hole.
Yes.
Ready? Right there.
Oh, right now.
Good. Next. No, don't eat it. No, spit it out. Try again. Grab a seed. And we put it in the hole. Right there. Right there.
No one.
That's it. Good job. Hey, cool dude. Want to say hi?
See, Gamma.
Putting up poles. Last year, I rebuilt my fence, as you can see through the peach, or through the cherry tree here, and I saved all of my scrap lumber. This is just some that was left over, the bigger boards. I've got 4 boards there that are 42 inches. Great. The maximum length I can get out of these is 38 inches, so I'm going to cut 8 of them at 38 inches, and then I need a total of 8 2x4s that are 40 inches. So we're just going to get those cut. Dump it. Oh, it's beautiful. That is that. Now I can give garden tours every week or 2 weeks or whatever. I got a lot growing in the garden this year. It's going to be very well maintained because there are no major projects like rebuilding a fence. And we just put in another floral garden, so we'll get some flowers and vegetables in the garden tours this year. It's going to be great. Very pleased with the updates that I had to do here, being the compost pile and getting the shredder and just moving some things around. And I still have yet to put the purple fence all the way along the border, you know, behind the raspberries over there. I still want to do that. It's just a fun picket fence, you know, and I need to repair some part of the door that's, you know, kind of old and whatever. Just rambling now. I'm sure you did a lot in your garden. If you watched this, let me know what you had to do and what you still have to do ahead of you. Hope you enjoyed my updates, and stay tuned over the coming weeks for garden tours. Happy growing, everybody.